Hi friends, welcome to TechieMit. So in continuation of the multi-threading related series, today I'm going to bring you new video on FixedThreadPool demo in Java. So let's see a practical example for it. So let's jump into the program. So as say what I just created a class over here, and our approach would be like we'll first create a class where we will be implementing a runnable interface, and we will be developing some logic over there, and we'll be calling the service, and the fixed thread pool. We'll see how it works, and we'll invoke methods on it like execute and all, and of course the shutdown method. So let's see through it to the program. Class, let's say task implements runnable. Okay. This is a class that implements the runnable interface. So basically, it's needed because you need to create a runnable object for the executor to execute. So now, what I will do here, uh, just expand it. So currently executing thread in thread pool. Thread dot current get name. Okay. So it will display the that is currently executing, and after that, what we'll do, we'll intentionally like induce some delay for that specific time. So we'll use a try catch for it, because it will not be throwable by using the run from the run method. So we'll throw the interrupt exception ex dot print status trace. Yeah. So thread dot sleep. We'll sleep for 3 seconds. Yeah, initially it was showing an compilation error because there was nothing to on the try block that will probably throw any exception. So it was showing unreachable code. So I just removed it, and after that the compilation error is gone. And post before sleeping. Okay, and after that will task completed thread in. Yes, yeah. So yeah, so it will print twice initially what thread is currently executing, and it will give the current thread name and all. Yeah, and using the built-in methods, not any much code. Keep it simple. And in the main method, what will you will just needed to sleep for some time. That's, and I will use the executor service. You fix thread pools and for Control Shift O. We have taken the executor service over here. After that, yeah, we'll create an object of this task object, new task, execute Now we need to create a pool, so we'll see a demo like at least 4 or 5 objects. So I'm using the for loop pool as an equal to, let's say 5. We'll initially we created as 3. Create fix number of threads in pool, as the name suggests. 5 plus plus. After that, after it's executed 5 times, we will just invoke the shutdown method once. And yes, now this is our class is ready. FixedThreadPool, we created a pool of 3 threads, and we iterated through for loop. It will execute 5 times, and ultimately it will shut down. This is for like orderly shutdown, and which after in which the submitted task after they execute it, they ultimately shut down. Now let's see if it gets correctly executed or not. Yeah. So see if you see the output in the console. Initially, before sleeping, currently executing thread pool is pool 1, thread 2, thread 1, thread 3. And after that, task completed is pool 1, thread 1. Initially, before sleeping, currently executing thread. Yes. Yeah. So the like it printed the output items and task all the got executed 5 times the threads. So this is three so it is going on to three threads, and they're executed 5 times. Executed 5 times. Now if you try to increase the number, like let's say 6 threads, I include 6 threads, and let's see what output it shows on the console. Yeah, see, means fixed size is 6, but if you observe that thread 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 threads were created, and they were created on this manner because over here it's executed less than or equal to 5. So maximum it got executed as 5 times, and if I change this to 6, it will also change in the console. Yeah, see, 1, 2, 6, 5, 3, 4, 2, because it is arbitrarily printing like 1 after 6. It's not sequential, but like 6 thread were they started executing, and they were currently printed the thread names, and they executed, and after the like task was completed, they printed the thread names, and after we invoked the shutdown method, all the tasks were completed, and it resulted in the closure of the program. It's with no errors and exception. So like this like fixed thread pool can be used when like fixed number of tasks need to be submitted with some like finite delay in them, and like some responses need to be done. We're using some fixed threads, and they can be executed using the new FixedThreadPool demo. So this video was all about the FixedThreadPool demo, in which we saw how we can create the threads using FixedThreadPool, and means how the execution can change on the number of times we execute the loop, and how it can gracefully shut down using the shutdown method. So do keep liking, subscribing to #TechieMit, more to come on other related topics that are in pipeline related to multi-threading. So stay tuned. Bye for now.